Hey son, I need you to go water that money tree, cause I got no more money left. Go water.
Nah, Pops. I'm busy.
Boy, what you doing that you're so busy, boy?
Pops, I'm protecting the border.
Protecting the border? You might as well be taking McDonald's orders.
Pops, you acting totally different.
This boy's a dummy. Go.
Hey, yo, Pops, what you need?
Son, I need you to go water the money trees, cause I'm almost out of money.
All right, I got you, Pops.
That's my boy.
I ain't gonna do it. Well, I might as well go water the money tree, because nobody else is gonna do it. Okay.
Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Bid my blood to run before I come undone. Save me from the
That's my boy.
Let's go find Adam. Let's go get Adam.
Let's go beat him up. Come on, he should have done this.
Let's go.
You got me tripping.